Hello, Raghvendras. Good evening. How are you?
I am fine, sir. What about you?
Good, fine. Raghvendra, you applied for front-end position, right?
Yes, sir.
Before starting, just tell me about yourself.
Thank you, sir, giving this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Raghvendras Nandakumar Kadamwar. I have completed my graduation in civil engineering from SRTM University, Mumbai. I have 2 years of experience. 1 year work as a UI developer. From last 1 year, I am working as Angular developer. My skill sets are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. Yes.
You say from last 1 year you working on Angular, right?
Yes.
Then why are you changing your current job? You got the opportunity to work on Angular.
Sir, I am new in Angular. That's why they are asking for debugging works to me. Then no improvement in work. That's why.
Okay. Can you explain about your previous company and which domain you work, on which technology, on which project you work?
Yes, I basically work on loan application project. In loan application project, we have created different models. In different models and different forms used like template-driven forms and reactive forms for login and sign up. For login purpose, we will be use template-driven forms and different directives are created. And in this application, the different types of loan like Bima loan, car loan, Udyam loan. That's what's happening.
Okay. How much you rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular out of 5?
In HTML, CSS, JavaScript 4 and in Angular 3.5.
8.5. Okay. Have you worked on Flex app?
Yes, sir.
Good. First, we go ahead with the HTML, CSS.
Okay.
JavaScript, then we'll start on Angular.
Okay.
What is difference between HTML4 and HTML5?
Okay, in HTML4, we will be used for store data, local cache data, and in HTML5 we will be used local storage. And in HTML4, video support is not for external plugins are used. In HTML5, video tag is introduced. In HTML4, cannot get exact location of the user, but in HTML5, geolocation API are introduced.
That's it.
The HTML4 is not mobile friendly, not supported on all mobile browsers, and the HTML5 supports on all browsers.
Okay. You say in your HTML5 geolocation and local storage.
Yes.
Okay. Can you explain geolocation API?
Yes.
What is local storage?
In local storage we can store data. In local storage are two methods: session storage and in local storage we can store data for a lifetime of period, and we can, if we close the browser or tab, it cannot be deleted. The data will be available until the delete, and local storage data can be stored up to 4 MB, 5 MB, and local storage have some methods like remove atom and and both data for all data delete for clear method.
Suppose we have one object. Okay.
Yes.
I want to store that object in a local storage. How to store it in local storage?
By using set item.
Can you explain in detail, step by step?
Which
Yes.
share screen.
Okay, share your screen. Show me. Hello, Raghvendras, what happened? First, clear it all. Hello,
Yes, sir.
show me where is the data. What happened?
Hello, sir.
Okay, open the code. Okay, just tell me if I want to get uh, that data, which method we use?
Parse method, sir.
Okay. What is difference between article and section?
Article and section. Section is used for create section in web pages, and article is
Okay. Can you explain what iframe?
okay. In one index file, index.html page, we want to use another index.html page file, then we will be use iframe tag.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Check it after the interview. Which type of advanced selectors we use in CSS?
Adjacent sibling, general sibling,
Yeah. And
next, mm, next element sibling,
next element sibling. Are you sure?
no, sir, not sure about next element.
Okay. Suppose we have two boxes. One first box, its height and width is 500 by 500. Second box is height and width is 100 by 100. Okay. First box background color is like black and second will be red. I want first box, second box on the center of first box. I want to match the center of both boxes. How to achieve it by using flex? Just tell me. Don't create it. Just tell me.
Okay, and to get main box too, we will be display flex, and will give property align item center, justify content center.
Okay. What is difference between space around, space evenly? Hello, Raghvendras, I am
Yes,
audible.
yes, sir.
Got the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me, what is the difference between space around, space evenly?
Sorry, sir.
No problem. Just a okay. Sorry for a minute. Uh, what is align self or stretch and center baseline? Can you explain it?
Yes.
What is flex screw? Flex shrink, flex disease.
Flex 0 by default value is 0, and if we will be given 1, then it will be adjust.
Okay. And what is flex shrink?
Flex shrink is give the property, then will be automatically the shrink. Uh, if we have 4 boxes, then will be shrink as evenly. Boxes are shrink evenly means.
Okay. What is meant by synthetically assumed style sheet? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes. It is a pre-process of CSS in which the pre-process of CSS in which various are properties like variable, mixins.
And
That's
how to use SAS filing is done. Hello.
Yes, sir.
How to use SAS filing is
By using compiler, uh, renderer.
okay. What is variable, nesting, partial, mixing, explain?
Variables are used for declaration like colors, and mixing means we can be create for reusable codes like any functions.
What is partial and imports?
We can create partials for as a section wise or page wise. Section wise we create partials and import in style.css. Import in style.css file.
Okay, brush up on it again after the interview.
Okay.
Now, suppose we have two functions. First function is function declaration, another function is function expression. In which type of function hoisting is possible?
Function expression,
Function expression and function declaration. We have two
declaration.
functions. In which function hoisting is possible?
Function expression,
In function expression,
hosting is possible.
sure.
Yes, sir.
Then show me. First declare one function expression and show me the hoisting is possible. That means if we call
No,
me that
sir.
function.
In hosting not possible in function.
Okay, first declare the one function expression and call it above that. And tell me if it will work or not. First tell me what will be the output. Don't run it. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Tell me what will be the output first. Don't run it. First tell me which type of function you write here. Function expression or function declaration?
Function expressions.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Then what will be the output?
It will be not defined, sir.
Okay, save it and check console. Showing it. Why?
We can call the after the function expression and before the function expression we can call the
Okay, brush up on it after the tutorial. Okay.
yes.
What is difference between slice and slice?
The slice method returns basically slice method are accept two parameters and slice method accept three methods and slice method cannot modify the array and splice method is update the array. And,
Yes, go ahead.
Slice method is used for pick up the elements from array and splice method is used for remove or add the elements from array. And the slice method cannot change the length of the array and the splice method change the length of the array. That's
What is difference between factor function and constructor function?
In fact, in construction function, we cannot create object. We will be used for create object new keyword, and we will in factory function we will be create object, and we will be return the object inside the function.
And what about the constructor function?
Constructor function we will be create object with new keyword. Cannot need to create a means object.
And not
Means cannot declare, we cannot need to declare an empty object in constructor function.
what is event bubbling and event capturing?
In event bubbling, the event flow from the child to parent. And in event capturing, the event flow from parent to child. In the
Show me one example on that.
yes. This is example of window bubbling.
Event.
Event
Hello.
bubbling. Event
Event.
bubbling, sir.
And event capturing. How it will.
The parameter will be default parameter will be false, will be true, then the behavior will be
Okay. What is callback here?
um, function nested callbacks one inside another function. The structure looks like a pyramid. This structure is called as callback.
And how to handle error in JavaScript?
By using callback head, promise, and async await.
Managers think of it. What is
Yes.
promise and async of it?
Promise is a JavaScript object which gives some value in future. Promise are basically in four state: pending, resolve, reject, and settle. Pending means the action related to promise will be pending, and in a reject, action related to promise will be paid, and in success, action related to promise will be resolved. In settle, action related to promise will be either resolved or paid. And async await is a synthetical sugar coating over promises.
Can you elaborate it? Async of it.
Okay.
Don't write, just tell me.
Async await is used over promises. When promise chaining is done, then code cannot be readable. To when read to very difficult, then we will be use async await.
Fine.
In the async await, code will be more readable and easy to manage. But
I'm sharing some one declaration with you. Don't run it. Just tell me what will be the output. Okay. Got it?
yes,
In chat, I share one declaration with you. Just copy it from chat and tell me what will be the output. Don't save it and don't run it.
two to one, sir.
2 to do 1. Okay. Then after true plus, type here. Yes. After at line number 37.
37.
Okay. Yes. Up,
Huh.
there is a true plus.
True plus.
Type again. Type
Huh.
4 plus 2.
True.
Yes. Now what will be the output?
271.
271.
71.
Okay, save it and check. Okay. Now, again sharing some declaration with you. Don't run it. Just tell me what is the output. Copy that from chart.
One two eight nine. 1289.
Can you type it in commented format? Are you sure? Okay. Click the console, open the console and check. Okay. Right after the interview. Now, again, I'm sharing some code with you. Okay, no problem. I'm unable to search it. Now, can you explain what is difference between find and filter and map method?
No, in array, we want to give each and every element to same functionality. We will be use map method, and that from that array we need to new array. We will use map method, and the filter method. Uh, if one condition is given an array, then filter it to this array, we will be using filter method. And the find method is used for find the object from an array.
Only object or any can we do anything on that by using the find method?
Means in specific key from array means one element can be find from by using from.
By using filter method, we can find that particular element. Then why are we using the
But sir, the given condition is satisfied, then filter method again iteration will be continuous until the array will be finished. Then but find method once get object iteration can be stopped.
what is difference between map and for each method?
Uh, if you want to apply each and every element to same functionality, then we will be use for each method. And same again, if you want to need the same apply same functionality to each and every element from array, we will be map method. But in case of map method, it will be return new array, and from that we will be get new array in map method. And for each method returns undefined value, and map method returns new array.
For each returns undefined.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm, this, there's one array with you. Just copy it. How to find largest number from your array?
Write program, sir. For
Yes, you can write. So, okay. Now, what are the deep copy and shallow copy?
Can I
Yeah.
explain with code?
Okay, yes, you can. Can you explain?
Yes,
What
sir.
is deep copy and shallow copy?
Yes. In shallow copy, we will be change the value in object equal to f name equal to Jude in object 2, and in deep copy we can be change the value of nexted object key as an Angular to JavaScript.
Just what is call, bind, apply? Can you explain with example?
Yes.
Can we declare a variable with capital letter? Can you explain?
Yes, sir. In call method, we will be pass argument. Call method.
And
In call, yes, sir. In call method, we will pass the argument back comma separated. And in apply method, we will be argument pass in the form of array. In bind method, will be return the function, and it will be call. Call method will be invoked at time of the value will be get when this value.
I'm not getting. Okay, Raghvendra, if you want to break, then you can take some glass of water, and then we'll start on Angular. Okay, Raghvendra, then we will start on Angular. Okay. What is Angular?
Angular is framework which is used for single page application with the help of HTML and TypeScript. Angular provides some features like data binding, dependency injections.
What are the advantages of Angular?
Angular was
What is the difference between Angular JS and Angular?
Angular JS are run with JavaScript, and Angular we will be run with TypeScript, and JS don't have CLI tool, and Angular have Angular use the CLI tool. In Angular JS, you cannot use a dependency injection to inject the service. In Angular, we will use the to inject service dependency injection, and in Angular JS are not mobile friendly. The Angular will be mobile friendly. Angular JS performance will be slow as compared to Angular, and Angular performance is better than as compared to Angular JS.
What is NPM?
NPM is Node Package Manager, which will be uh, give the which will be installed all dependencies like TypeScript or Bootstrap will be installed with the help of NPM.
What are the components, selectors, and templates? Can you explain it?
Okay, sir. Selector R will be um, identify the component in in component tree by using the selector name like a prefix with app. We will create uh, the component is a basic building block of Angular application, and which will be in three parts: template and class and stubs. Template will be what will be UI render on it, and class will be define the behavior of the HTML. The style will be used for how component will be render on HTML.
What is use of main.ts file?
main.ts. Main.ts file are different are settings are available in main.ts. Main.ts file is the entry point of the application. In main.ts file, bootstrapping the module. Uh, the bootstrapping module are by default when we create the application app module. And with the help of main.ts file, will be decide which module first render on browser.
What is two-way data binding?
Two-way data binding means the data will be transferred from TS file to HTML view and the HTML view to TS file. It can be and two-way data binding with the help of ng model. If you want to use the ng model, we will import forms model.
What is difference between string interpolation and property binding?
String interpolation will be transfer data from TS file to template, and in property binding we can be set the property to non-string data like boolean value, and string interpolation is used for display the data. The property binding is used for bind the properties with the help of HTML element. The string interpolation will be with the help of two curly braces, and the property binding we will be used for square bracket.
What are the difference between component attributes and structural directive?
And,
Hello.
yes, sir. Yes. In attribute directive, those are change the sorry,
What about structural directive?
structural directive are three types of directives in structural directive: ng uh, ng for, and ng switch. In ng we will be add or remove the element with the help of if condition. Ng for will be used for iterate the element like on we will be used on list, and ng switch is the combination of ng default and ng.
Okay. What is decorator?
Decorator used to store the metadata, and there are three types of decorator: are class decorator, property decorator, and method decorator. In class decorator, ng model, component decorator, and injectable decorator. In property decorator, uh, input, output, and host binding. In method decorator, host listener.
Can you repeat it?
sir.
Can,
And, hello, sir.
can you repeat it?
Okay. Decorator are used to store metadata of class, property, and method. In a class decorator are ng model, component, and pipe, component pipe, and that's it. And in a property decorator, output, input, view child, and view children, and in method decorator, host listener. There are decorators also.
And in class?
In class, ng model and directive.
Okay. What are the types of pipe?
First of all, pipe is we pipe will be get input value and return the transform value. And pipes are two types of pipe: built-up pipe and custom pipe. In built-up pipe, date, decimal, JSON, slice, async pipe, and in custom pipe we create uh, custom pipe like implement the pipe transform method, in pipe, implement the pipe transform interface, and in this transform method will be with we use, and we will be custom pipe will be create as per requirement.
What is the difference between pure pipe and impure pipe?
When pure pipe will be call when we change in the value or property, change in value or argument in the pipe, and impure pipe will be called when the any change in the any change in the application or in a life cycle, the impure pipe will be called. By default, the pure pipe. By default, pipe is pure pipe.
Can you explain the services with example?
Yeah.
Hello, Raghvendras.
Yes, sir. Yes. Services are services are used in multiple components, and services are used for reusable, and services can be implemented by dependency injection. And services we can be used in multiple components. Uh, and services, the main objective of create services to share the business logic and share business logic and property and method function throughout the components in application.
Can you create one example and show me how to create services and how to use it? This custom service, sir. Yes. Oh, okay, can you explain what you did?
First, we create a export class, the name giving service to API app service. And in the app service, I will create a declaration hello. And then we will be get the value in app component.ts.
Okay, can you explain life cycle hooks?
Life cycle hooks are several stages are like from ng on unit to ng on restart. First of all, first is ng on changes. Second, ng on unit. After ng on ng do check. Third, ng after content unit. After then ng after content check. The next is ng view unit. Then after ng view check. Last one is ng on restore. The ng on changes will be called when the change in change the property value will be changed. Then ng on changes will be called. When component will be initialized, then ng on init will be called. Then ng do check will be called after the several times will be changing anywhere in the component. Then ng do check will be called. And when component will be destroyed, then ng on destroy will be.
What is the difference between constructor and engine unit?
What's the
What is difference between constructor and engine unit?
okay? And constructor is not part of life cycle hook. Constructor will be called before the life cycle hook, and ng on unit call after the ng on changes, and the ng on unit will be part of the life cycle hook.
Okay, what is difference between promise and observable?
Okay, promise can be we cannot unsubscribe to we cannot subscribe to promises. We can be subscribed to observable, and promises are eager and observables are lazy. We can be emit multiple times. We can be emit data in observable. We can be emit once data after the consume, and one consumer will be to promise, and multiple subscriber for observable, and promise can be emit the error, and observable can be throw the error. We can be manipulate before subscribe, can be manipulate data of the observable before the subscribe. We cannot manipulate data before consuming information.
What is the role of HTTP client in Angular?
HTTP client is used for the get data from the API. In the HTTP client, all method will be return the observables.
Okay.
The HTTP client method, some methods like get, put, fetch, and delete. These are methods.
Can you explain Angular routing? Hello.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay. What is the RxJS?
RxJS is a reactive extension of JavaScript. RxJS are used to handle the asynchronous data with the help of observables. The RxJS are provide some special observables and subject behavior to handle it. And RxJS is used for state management.
Okay. How to maintain the state of Angular application?
Also,
How to maintain the state of Angular application?
by using services and subject and behavior.
How do you handle the form validation in Angular? Hello,
Yes, please.
I say, how do you handle form validation in Angular?
By using that some property like touch, dirty, invalid. Those are states. By using these states, we will be maintained.
Okay, what is lazy loading and eager loading?
By default, all models are eager, and if when application will be started, the all modules are eagerly loaded, and with its components also eagerly loaded. Lazy loading will be in lazy loading models on demand. Lazy loading used for improve the app performance by using the it by using lazy loading the remove.
Okay. What are the Angular guards and how they are used?
Angular guards are can be active. Angular guards are checked before the check if user are enter the uh, in some areas like then guard will be checked.
Okay, brush upon it. How do you handle the authentication and authorization in Angular?
For
What is AOT compilation in Angular?
AOT means ahead of time. AOT the compile will be filed at the build process. The AOT the bundle size is smaller. The AOT will be used in development mode and in environmental mode.
How do you deploy an Angular application to production environment?
Okay. Hello.
How do you deploy an Angular application to production environment?
Sorry.
Okay, Raghvendra, done from my side. Do you have any question?
No.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.